Alright, today I have the Gillette Intimate that I'm going to be unboxing. Right here is a new razor from Gillette. It's gentle and easy. Comes with one razor, two cartridges, and one hook for hanging the razor up when you're done. It says a pubic hair razor, quite interesting, with simple pass technology, whatever that means. It says with shower hook, which I talked about earlier, that is included. So before I open this up, it says it helps prevent nicks and cuts to the pubic area. 2 times lubrication for protection before and after blades. Shower hook for easy storage. Fully rubberized, which they're talking about this right here. And a flex ball adapts to contours and hard to reach areas. Simple pass technology, 5 anti-friction blades for close, comfortable shave. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It says dermatologist tested. The images on the side. Go ahead and open this up. And inside here is the Gillette Intimate Easy Care razor right here. Heavy razor, seems pretty sturdy. The flex ball design, which they were talking about, exists right here. Let me go ahead and pull this off. And here is the sensitive area. Here is the padding, lubrication strip up there, and I believe there's a razor on top right there for getting those close, intimate areas. And inside also there is a hook with a 3M sticker. So you apply this to perhaps your shower wall while it's dry. You peel this off and you stick it there, and you're able to hook the razor like this, or like that. Alright, go ahead and take that off. And inside also is a extra cartridge that comes with this. See, that's the extra cartridge. And I'm going to show you how to put a new cartridge on. So say for instance this is the old cartridge. I'll simply press that right there and then put in the new cartridge like that. It's good to go. Take that off, the protection guard. Always keep this on, perhaps when you're storing it. Keep this on. So when you're storing your Gillette Intimate razor, just go ahead and put it like that, and you can store it away like that. Pretty simple, easy to use. This right here is rubber. Storage like that. Stick it against the wall of the shower like that. And that is the Gillette Intimate razor by Gillette. Hope this gave you a good idea of what this Intimate razor is about. You can see right here, there is 5 blades on here. Getting close, you can see that a little bit better. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the pre-strip, and then the lubricating strip right there. And that is the Gillette Intimate Gentle and Easy razor. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.